Everyone, and welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video, we're going to be having specifically a look at Bitcoin, guys. The market is currently crashing right now. We are currently down 16.63%, 63%, sorry. And earlier today, guys, 6 hours ago, I did make a video and I said Bitcoin down to 33K, and a lot of people called me FUD. This is BS. You're spreading rumors, this, that. Guys, I didn't predict anything. Okay, let's start with that. I was just reacting to what the market would do. Let's start off with this inverse head and the regular head and shoulder that I was explaining to you guys earlier. Okay, once we broke that inverse head and shoulder a few days ago, it was May 15 exactly. I did say that our target would approximately be 33K. So let's have a look. If we take that and put it at the breakout exactly, it meets exactly our target right here, which was between 30,000 and 33. I said 33. The reason why I said 33K is because I never like going to my full target. Usually it never comes back down to the exact support, but as you guys can see, it came back down to the exact support right here. So in my opinion, if we break that exact support level, we're probably going to come back down to 24K. Why do I say 24K? Well, let's have a look at the Bitcoin futures chart. This is the Bitcoin futures chart. Let me change that to green. Right here, we have a gap, guys. We have a gap right here. Let me color that in for you guys. This is a gap, okay? Right here, and a gap usually gets filled 80% of the time. So can we see this gap get filled in the near future if we do break down below 30K? Yes, that's very possible. As of right now, we got a pretty nice rejection, so I don't see anything I don't see any further action being done. In my opinion, we could come and consolidate from here on. So we're probably going to see something like this before we either break up or break down. We're probably going to come down, consolidate around this area, 28,000 for until July. I know you guys don't like to see this, until July, and then pop back up. That is my number one scenario. My number two scenario, we could essentially come back up, make a nice little V recovery shape, and then pop to the 70,000 region. The other one is we come down, we consolidate, and after we consolidate, we essentially come back down, fill this gap, and then really enter the bear market, go sideways for a year or two. Anything can happen, and we have to be prepared for these specific move, in my opinion. Now let's have a look on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is what's scary a little bit, okay? If we have a look at the exponential moving average on the weekly time frame, we had a nice beautiful rejection right here. Right here, we had a nice little beautiful rejection off the 55 exponential moving average. We haven't been testing that exponential moving average ever since last year, guys. Last year, we did not test the 55 exponential moving average. So this is insane. We've been in the bull market since the March 23rd, 2020, after the COVID. So all we have to do, guys, is not panic sell. We have to accumulate. None of this is financial advice. If you are playing with leverage, when I tell you guys not to overuse the leverage, that's very, very unfortunate, and I'm sorry to hear that. But I told you guys, that we might see 33,000. So if you guys took a short, that's great. It wasn't from me. It's you guys who did it, by the way. I see you guys have been making fantastic gains on the few calls I've made, which is great. But I don't want you guys to see that I'm a predictor and a crypto god, because I am not. So let's go on and see some. So this is the monthly chart. Let's have a look at the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, guys, we could actually come back and retest that level, the 24,000 level, which meets exactly with the CME futures chart on the exponential moving average, which would be very, very healthy. And why would it be very, very healthy? Well, let's start off with, first of all, we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monthly green candles in a row, guys. 6 monthly green candle. And we could still come back down and get rejected and essentially close at 47,000 the monthly. That's very, very possible, and then continue the bull run. So guys, in the macro time frame, in my opinion, this is pretty good, and I don't think you guys should worry just yet. Let's dive into the lower time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, nothing too crazy. Let's take these exponential moving average real quick and have a look at the RSI. RSI is something very, very important. On the RSI, guys, right here, we are pretty oversold. The last time we were oversold like this on the 1 hour has been quite some time ago. Let me make this thicker real quick. Look at that, oversold. We are at 15, guys. So on the shorter time frame, this would be a good area to long, in my opinion. On the 4 hour time frame, we could have a look. Look at this, guys. We are actually getting supported pretty nicely right here at the 22 region. Every time we came back to the 22 region, we saw bounce. We saw bounce right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. So let's have a look on the daily time frame, go deeper into it. So the last time we got here, guys, was right here, March 13, 2020. That's the last time we came here, guys. Now this is very, very important, and I'll tell you why it's very important. Because on March 13, 2020, guys, we were right here. Bitcoin was trading at $5,000 and the RSI was at 22. Right now, Bitcoin is currently trading at $35,000 and the RSI is at 22, guys. So everything right here is bullish. It is extremely bullish. This is a sign that absolutely no one is paying attention. No one is paying attention at these divergences right here. No one. And this is why I don't think Bitcoin is gonna fall lower than that. I think we're gonna shoot through the moon, in my opinion, after this. And guys, 100K is gonna probably be it's probably gonna be happening by the end of 2021, in my opinion. You guys can call me crazy, but I've made some great calls, and I will admit it. I'm not trying to be cocky, and no, I did not predict it. I just reacted to the market, just letting you guys know. Anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.